I'd like to put a challenge to each of you. I know that most of you are in the property sector, some of you are in HR, but your next major project, is it possible to create a culture within your project team, something like the one that Russell developed for this project, where we're all understood where the project, what was trying to be achieved, what the aim was that we were trying to achieve, so that each one of us could then contribute how we could best achieve it, whether we were a cost consultant, whether we were a designer, whether we were a builder. That culture is something that you just cannot replicate project by project without having some conscious framework which you created. This simulation centre potentially could be a great place to bring your project team for half a day to get those people to think together. So it's not necessarily about pointing the finger, it's about working together. Create that culture right from the start. When you go into the simulation centre, think about that, because perhaps the old procurement process of tendering, going for the lowest price and everybody doing their own thing isn't the best way. Perhaps there's another way. I don't want to call it an alliance, but it could be something where it's a partnership, people working together. And maybe you give $200 or $2,000 to each consultant, and pay their time and tell them it's $2,000 to go away and see what happens. Because I bet you that in their hearts of hearts, most of those people in that room really want to give it their best shot, but they really need to understand what it is they're trying to achieve, and they really need to get behind it. And that requires leadership. Leadership from the organisations you work for, leadership from the people leading those projects.